Okay, so I'm told that it is July 22nd, 2012. I'm not sure about that because I didn't look and I never know what day it is. I'm going to start paying attention to Tommy's progress with the fish oil. We started giving it to him a couple of weeks ago, realized we were doing something wrong. Threw it away, bought a new one. I just found Tommy in here, he climbed in the tub. He loves water. This morning I heard him making sounds he's never made before. The L sound, la 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 la. It's been a little crazy. It's only been a few days since we restarted it, like 2 days since we restarted it. Hi Tom. Thomas, look at Mama. Hey, what's going on, Tommy? Are you dancing? Are you dancing? Let me see you. You're not dancing? I think you are dancing. C is for cookie. Is that what you're dancing to? Uh-huh. That's right. Alright, so I'm just going to do a little shorty thing here so you can see my Tom. And I'm going to tape him, I don't know, probably about once a week, maybe next Sunday. And we'll see what kind of progress we make with the fish oil, the omega-3s. Okay, say bye-bye. Bye, Tom. Say bye-bye, Tommy. I'm going to shut this off. I know you can't say bye-bye. Let's try. Make believe. Bye! Love you. Bye.